Oh my god. I need a haircut. Day after Christmas. I didn't lift yesterday. Just took a rest day. Hung out with family. So I'm gonna hit what do I got to? I'm gonna do some back, I think. Some back and buys. I just had PT also for my back, but there wasn't like many. I didn't really do a lot of like exercises there. It was just like light stuff, so probably gonna hit back today and see how that feels. But my back has been feeling good overall. So, and I got new pre. How many pre's did I get? I got 3 new pre's. I only brought 2. I have this one. Shit looks fire. It's from Panda. I haven't tried any of their supplements yet, but yeah, it's supposed to be really good. So it looks fire. The design is fire. It's one of the main reasons I bought it, but it's a good pre. And then I got this one also, the Sebum. What is this? The 5P. Apparently this tastes like Swedish fish, I think. So I'm gonna have this one today. I don't know how many scoops to take. I'll probably take 2. 6 grams, beta-alanine 3. Yeah, I'll take 2 scoops. So I'm gonna fill this with water. I'm actually drinking it this time because I want to taste it. Usually I just dry scoop, but I'm actually gonna drink it today. So I have high expectations for this flavor. So let's see. Oh my god. It smells good. Shit, where's the scooper? God damn it. Bro, this shit's all the way at the bottom. Bro, they gotta figure something out with the scoopers. Like, put it on top. Like, there's like a protein that has the scooper on top. Like, it stays on the top. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it like just stays there. That's one. A little overfilled. 2. I'm not gonna lie, that looks kind of nasty in the water. Bro, that looks like sewer water. Not even joking. Look at that. Bro, that looks like shit. Look at this. That does not look good. Bro, it looks like barf, dude. That's nasty. Bro, it better taste good. First sip review. It's actually pretty good. You get like a faint taste of the Swedish fish, but there's another flavor in there that I just can't place. Like the aftertaste tastes like Swedish fish. Huh. It's this other candy I can't place. Oh, that's pretty good though. I'll give that like an 8 out of 10. That tastes like almost exactly like a Swedish fish. Huh. Alright, I'm just gonna down it now. That's actually good though. Doesn't look very good, but it tastes good. So I'll probably just dry scoop it from now on. But yeah, we're gonna hit some back. Probably gonna have to go a little lighter, and then we can spam biceps. So let's roll.
What did I do? And I should die like this? No, you're not gonna die, Peter. You're not gonna die, and you're not gonna let him keep doing whatever he wants to whoever he wants. You've got the costume. You've got the power. You're Spider-Man. Act like it.
bitch with a nigga bleed. See with the ecstasy, I'm fine. Can't even see it. And it changed so heavy, I'ma die. Blood sit on my hips. I'm driving around the city. Now I'm close to the fields. Maybe your own city that'll kill you. Like a happy needle. I want that bitch back like a flyer. I'm bumping this hill. Yeah, I'm chilling up at the Ritz. They call me chill. Pour up in my soul. Just so I could deal. Walk inside the bed and bust it on my hip. I told you to back away. I don't need none of your help. Always living underwater. Might as well call this kill. Sit like dead. I've been on pills all day. Like a Trump man, get beat, yo, dead. Early when my bitch love on me. I had saved, but I'm horny. And easy to lick on, me. I whip out my wrist on, no degree. I whip out my wrist on with no degree. Bitch, I died and didn't go to heaven. All my pockets really filled up with some nice shit, bitch, I really ready. Anytime I ever told you I was talking shit, better know I really meant it. I can't even put my time with a broke bitch, nah, she can spend a penny. Gotta let her burn, it ain't let it bend it, yeah. Gotta let her burn, gotta let it bend it on me. I just let the herb and they told me let it on me. I just told her pull up, come and bring it down on me. Yeah, how the hell you pull up, they gon' turn around on me. Kill all of my brothers and working at home. Hard kill all of my thoughts, they love me, they bang my phone. Shot dead, I've been on fields like hey, pull up with 20 but now I'm turning they see, I run this bitch with a you gon' bleed. I'm fine, can't even see. And it changed so heavy, I'ma die. Blood sit on my hips. I'm driving around the city. Now I'm close to the fields.